Hello everyone, this is Azhar Khan, certified Kaizen coach. I'm very honored that I've been invited by Small Businesses Virtual Expo 2020, Mr. Malik Yaz, to attend as a Kaizen coach or Kaizen facilitator to run a workshop for his 2020 Expo from September 14 till September 16. Please, if you are listening my this video message, please register as soon as possible and participate. I will go through with this workshop of Kaizen. This is one of the book I've been participate. I will share this all the information of the book with you. We go through with the Kaizen methodology. Kaizen is a Japanese word, and the meaning of Kaizen is continuous improvement. This is a complete methodology which can show you the profitability, how you lean it, how you control the cost, how you can build the Kaizen team, and it have lots and lots of other things which we go through throughout our session. So if you are really interested to learn about Kaizen, continuous improvement, the methodology, how to control the cost and how to improve the production system and efficiencies and cost control, please join us on virtual workshop for 2020 organized by Fusion 5 and see you there between September 14 to September 16. Thank you so much and looking forward to hearing from you.